Just wanted to show you guys my Sungold tomatoes. These were 3 seedlings that I was supposed to throw away, but they kept growing, so I ended up throwing them in this pot here, and they're doing pretty good. This is ready to come off. I'm gonna pick that one, and I have one over there that's ready to come off, and I'm gonna pick that one too. That's initially around the color that you're supposed to pick them, right there. But I let these go a little too far, but they still look good. I'll pick this one too. Looks really good. But yeah, I was initially supposed to toss these 3 because I thought I had 5 total, and I ended up potting those other 2, and they turned out to be beefsteak tomatoes. So I'm glad I didn't throw these away and toss them, and they're still growing. I'm just going to fill this pot up with some more soil and let them continue to grow. But here are my Sungold tomatoes.